Hello boys and girls, this is Mrs. Roy. As our summarizing lesson for our Nature Science unit, we will be designing a lab using only a few materials given to us. Our mission is to solve the mystery behind the success of bottle flipping. As we begin this lesson on bottle flipping, let's talk about the science behind it. The main branch of science that's involved with bottle flipping is physical science, and the ideas behind it are quite complex, so I'll try to make it pretty simple for you. According to the scientists of Scientific American, the number one concept that you need to understand is angular momentum. This is when an object's momentum depends on how fast it spins, which is called velocity, and where the central point of mass is located. This is called inertia. We also know that all objects have gravity. With this being said, the inertia of an object looks differently between something solid and something liquid when gravity is acting upon it. The mass distribution of a liquid changes if the water bottle is tossed in the air and flips because the water can slosh around. When the inertia is changed, the velocity is changed as well. For more information about this, visit scientificamerican.com. After setting up your problem, hypothesis, and experimental methods, you will collect data and place it into a data table. Within your data table, you must convert each measurement into the International System of Units, also known as the metric system. For extra support, watch the screencast video on how to convert your measurements. Hi 8th graders, we are going to review how to convert measurements within the metric system. Let's first recall our mnemonic device and metric prefixes for the device that we learned. King, Henry, died, belly up, drinking chocolate milk. The corresponding prefixes are kilo, hecto, deca, base units, meters, liters, and grams, deci, centi, and milli. Let's go ahead and use our example in order to practice the conversion steps. Our first example is 2.1 kilometers to centimeters. So using our steps, we're going to go ahead and convert this. The first thing we want to do is find our original unit and the new unit. So we have kilometers and centimeters. So our original is kilometers, our new is way over here at centimeters. The second thing we want to do is count the steps between the original and the converted. So we're going to go ahead and count these steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. We want to note the direction that we moved. Do we go left or do we go right? In this case, we went to the right. So we went 5 steps to the right. Then we want to go back to our example, and we want to go ahead and move the decimal in the original unit the correct number of spaces. So 5 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to place our decimal wherever we stop. Okay. All these little loops, we're going to go ahead and put zeros in each of them. Fill in those loops. And then the last thing we're going to do is change our prefix. So we want to change this to centimeters. So we no longer are using the kilometers. Where'd my M go? There we go. So our new answer should be 210,000 centimeters. For more practice, what I would like you to do is pause this video and try the next problem on your own. Okay? Then continue the video and check your answer. Go ahead and pause the video now. Your correct answer should be 0.000, 2 more, 0, 0, and then a 5. And we are converting to hectoliters. So that should be my new answer here. So 0.5 milliliters is equal to 0.000005 hectoliters. If you did not get that correct answer, go back and try it again, see where you messed up at. The history of bottle flipping. Bottle flipping originated at a high school talent show in Charlotte, North Carolina. A high school student senior, Michael Senator, performed a successful bottle flip on stage for his talent. The crowd went wild. His bottle flipping talent became a YouTube and Twitter sensation, racking 20,000 retweets in just one night. Currently, the YouTube video has reached 8.1 million views. Since then, he's been a guest on the Late Night Show with Stephen Colbert and a speaker on TED Talks. Let's recap of our bottle flip summarizing lesson. After designing an experiment, we learned how to correctly develop a problem and hypothesis based on our variables in a controlled experiment. We designed procedures that were detailed and easy to follow. After performing the experiment, we learned how to create graphs that best depict our data collection. Finally, we learned how to analyze data, draw conclusions, and share this information so that other scientists can benefit from our findings.